Welcome to this magnificent journey into the world of honeybees, an underrated insect that plays a major role in our ecosystem.
Fact 1. Honeybees, scientifically known as Apis mellifera, belong to the family Apidae.
Fact 2. A single honeybee colony can have 60,000 bees. Fact 3. In the colony, there are 3 types of bees: the queen, the workers, and the drones. Fact 4. The queen bee can live up to 5 years.
Fact 5. Worker bees, who are all females, live only for 6 weeks during the summer.
Fact 6. Drones, who are males, get expelled from the hive and die in autumn. Fact 7. Worker bees perform a waggle dance to communicate the location of food sources.
Fact 8. Bees are capable of recognizing human faces.
Fact 9. Honeybees can fly at a speed of around 15 miles per hour.
Fact 10. Honeybees visit approximately 2 million flowers to create just 1 pound of honey. Fact 11. In her lifetime, a honeybee will produce only 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey.
Fact 12. Bees have 2 stomachs, one for eating and one for storing nectar or water.
Fact 13. Honeybees never sleep, they are constantly working.
Fact 14. The queen bee lays up to 2,500 eggs per day during the summer.
Fact 15. Honeybees are great environmental indicators. Their presence, absence, or quantity can tell us the condition of our ecosystem.
Fact 16. Ancient Egyptians used honeybee products for medicinal purposes and mummification.
Fact 17. Beeswax produced by honeybees is used in candles, cosmetics, and a variety of other products.
Fact 18. Honeybees are crucial pollinators, helping in the fertilization of many plants, which contribute to a large portion of our food supply.
Fact 19. Honey has antiseptic properties and was often used in traditional medicine.
Fact 20. Honey can be stored indefinitely thanks to its acidity and lack of water.
Fact 21. Bees are the only insect that provides food eaten by man, honey. Fact 22. A type of honey in New Zealand called Manuka honey is prized for its antibacterial properties.
Fact 23. Honeybees can cool their hives in the summer by fanning their wings and warm it in the winter by vibrating their bodies.
Fact 24. Honeybees have 5 eyes, 2 large compound eyes and 3 smaller ocelli eyes.
Fact 25. Propolis, also called bee glue, is a resinous substance used by bees to seal cracks and gaps in the hive.
Fact 26. Bees can sense changes in air pressure and know when it's going to rain. Fact 27. Bees from the same hive visit about 225,000 flowers per day. Bees can pollinate around 30 billion flowers in a day.
Fact 28. Bees can die after stinging because the stinger and venom sac, along with vital internal organs, can become dislodged from the body. Fact 29. Honeybees have 170 odorant receptors and have a strong sense of smell, which they use for communication and for finding food.
And finally, Fact 30. Western honeybee, also known as European honeybee, is the most common of the 7 to 12 species of honeybees worldwide.
That concludes our trip into the hive of honeybees. These tiny creatures have a massive impact on our lives and our planet, so let's appreciate and protect them. Thank you for watching.